This was a completely hacked Instagram account, and this is after recovering it just within 3 minutes. This was an Instagram account with forgotten credentials, and here is after recovering it. I had created a video on Instagram hacking, and I received a lot of comments which were saying that people themselves have got their accounts hacked and how they can recover. So after the long research of my whole day, I came up with 2 working solutions to recover your Instagram account. Whether your Instagram account has got hacked and the hacker has changed your email address, password and phone number, or you have forgotten your Instagram account. You don't remember the email address and you don't remember the password and username or anything about your account. In both cases, the solutions I will propose will work. Just give me your 3 to 5 minutes attention and don't skip a single second of the video if you want to get what is promised in the title of this video. So as I've already mentioned that I will propose 2 solutions. The first solution will work for most of the people, but solution number 2 works for 100% of the people. The very first solution is you have to first of all open up your Instagram application as your account has got hacked or you have forgotten it, so this login page will be appeared up for you. From here you have to tap on this button here, which is forgot password. Now if you have forgotten your Instagram account and you don't remember your email address, then you can simply write the username of your account which is forgotten. And if your account has got hacked, you can still write your username here. And after that, as soon as you press this continue button, a login link will be sent to your email address which is associated with your Instagram account. Now this trick works when you don't remember that which email was associated with your Instagram account. And for hacked account, it works when the hacker has not changed your email address yet. But if you don't have access to your email address which was associated with it, or the hacker has changed your email address, then you have to go with the second step of first solution, which is you have to click on this option here, which is search by mobile number instead. Now here you have to enter the mobile number if you don't remember your username or email address, or even if your account has got hacked, and press the continue button. A login link will be sent to your phone number, and from there you can recover your account. But what if you neither have access to your phone number nor your email, or the hacker has changed them? This lets us move to the solution number 2, which is you have to close your Instagram application, and after that you have to open Google Chrome or Safari or any other browser that you use. You have to go to Google and type in here Instagram Help Center and hit the search button. Now the very first link which appears up, you have to tap on it. Now here in the search bar of Instagram Help Center, you have to write hacked and hit the search button. And when this page appears up, you have to go with the first link, which is if you think that your Instagram account has been hacked. You can also go with the second link, which is hacked Instagram account. But let's go with the first link, and after that you have to click on this link, which is visit this page. And as soon as you click on it, your Instagram app will be opened and this interface will be popped up. From here you have to go with the first option, which is my account was hacked. And option 3 here is the case which I was talking about, that if you don't have access to your mobile number or email address, then you can go with this third option. But let's consider that our account was hacked. So after selecting this, press the next button. And here again you have to enter your username or phone number or email address which was associated with your account. Let me again enter my username here and press the next button. Now on the next page, it will ask me to send a login link to the email address which is now associated with my Instagram account. If you had forgotten your Instagram account, on this page, it will display some characters of the email address, so you will remember that which was the email address associated with your account. But if you don't have access to it or the hacker has changed it, then you have to click on this second option in this list, which is try another way. Now from this page you have to go with the first option, which is take a selfie video to confirm my account. The Instagram will ask you to record a video of yourself to confirm your identity, and it will help you recover your Instagram account. Press the next button and it will ask for the email address which Instagram can use to contact you. And after writing your email address, press this submit button. Instagram team will contact you on the email address which you have provided. They will ask you to record a video selfie, and in this way they will confirm and recover your account. This option works best if you have posted some of your photos on your Instagram page. So they compare those photos with the video selfie that you submit here. But even if you don't have posted your photos on your Instagram, no problem. Just submit this request, Instagram team will contact you, and there are maximum chances that your account will be recovered. And now if you want to know that how the hackers hack the Instagram accounts, here's a quick video tutorial in the end screen. Go watch out that video. I'll be waiting for you in that video there. Thank you so much.